Consumer rights. Introduction. Consumer rights are basic legal protections given to consumers to safeguard them from exploitation, unfair trade practices and defective goods or services. The Consumer Protection Act, 2019 recognizes and strengthens these rights to ensure dignity, safety and fair treatment of consumers. These rights empower consumers and promote ethical business practices. Questions on consumer rights are frequently asked in LLB examinations. Right to safety. This right protects consumers against goods and services that are hazardous to life and property. Manufacturers and service providers must ensure safety standards. Unsafe products, defective medicines, and dangerous appliances violate this right. The law ensures preventive and corrective action. Product liability provisions support this right. Right to be informed. Consumers have the right to complete and correct information about goods and services. This includes information about quality, quantity, price, ingredients, risks and expiry dates. Misleading advertisements violate this right. Transparency enables informed decision-making. The Act penalizes false representations. Right to choose. Consumers have the right to access a variety of goods and services at competitive prices. Sellers cannot force unwanted goods or services. Monopolistic practices that limit choice are discouraged. This right promotes free and fair competition. It protects consumer freedom. Right to be heard. This right ensures that consumer interests receive due consideration. Consumers can raise complaints and grievances before appropriate forums. Consumer complaints must be addressed fairly and promptly. The law provides access to consumer commissions. This right strengthens participatory justice. Right to seek redressal. Consumers have the right to seek compensation or corrective action against unfair trade practices, defective goods, or deficient services. Remedies include repair, replacement, refund, and compensation. Consumer dispute redressal commissions provide speedy justice. This right is the backbone of consumer protection law. Right to consumer education. Consumers have the right to knowledge about their rights and responsibilities. Awareness helps consumers avoid exploitation. Government and consumer organizations promote education. An informed consumer strengthens the market. This right supports long-term protection. Right against unfair trade practices. Consumers are protected against practices such as hoarding, black marketing, false advertising and misleading offers. The Act prohibits unfair methods. The Central Consumer Protection Authority can take action. This right ensures honesty in trade. Conclusion. Consumer rights under the Consumer Protection Act, 2019 form the foundation of modern consumer law. By ensuring safety, information, choice, hearing and redressal, the law empowers consumers and promotes fairness in the marketplace. These rights protect consumers from exploitation and strengthen trust in the economic system. Understanding consumer rights is essential for LLB examinations and practical legal application.